If you are a YouTuber, content creator, music producer, you make beats, whatever you do, anything that has to do with being on this platform, YouTube University, how many views do you need to be able to quit your 9 to 5 job? Now, before we get into the video, I have to give my video credits to a lot of other creators who have made this video before me. Shout out to AB Academy, shout out to Mac Moolah, shout out to so many more other creators. This is like a trend right now. So shout out to you guys for giving me the great video idea. So what I'm gonna do it today, I'm gonna throw my own little twist on it. You know what I'm saying? Most of it's some of it's kind of gonna be some of the same points, but instead of just telling you guys how many views you need to quit your 9 to 5 job, I'm gonna be telling you guys how many views you need to quit your 9 to 5 job in different niches, okay? Because what some creators don't tell you is everybody on this platform does not make the same thing, if that makes sense, right? So basically what we get paid on is dependent on what we do. So we all do different things. Some of us do finance and motivation. Some of us do vlogs. Some of us are entertainers. Some of us make music. So everybody on this app does something different. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy Reese the Cut, back with y'all another video today. And I don't want to make this video too long. I want to just get straight into the point because I know you guys came here for one thing only. So let's hop straight into it, to the video, and hopefully we can have some fun with this. All right. And then I got my marker so we can write down as we go as well. So the first thing that we need to know is I have written down, okay, so there's like 30, 40 different niches on YouTube. So to make your guys' job easier, I've written down the top 3. So these top 3, basically what I mean by the top 3 niches is these top 3 damn near speak for the rest of the other ones, right? So the top 3 that we have written down for you guys today to give you guys an estimate. So the top 3 we have is entertainment. Entertainment speaks for damn near a lot of things, damn near like gaming, cooking, all those type of things, like entertainment, reaction videos, you know, all that is considered entertainment. So that's what I'm saying. Entertainment, it's basically just like the foundation for all those other little micro niches, right? Now we got health and fitness. You know what I'm saying? And as you guys can see, I went from lowest to highest. So entertainment being the lowest, anywhere from the RPM going anywhere from $2 to $5 per 1,000 views. Okay. Also, number 2, health and fitness. All right. This is second up because it's right there in the middle. So this basically, this speaks for motivation, you know, self-improvement, gym content. Let's say you make your videos about supplements or whatever, anything like that, right? Health, getting better, working on yourself, working on your, you know what I'm saying, your physical health, mental health, all those type of things, right? So it ranges anywhere from $8 to $15 per 1,000 views. Okay, last but not least, we got finance and business. Now this speaks for damn near everything. This speaks for investing, how to make money, AI, tech, all those different type of things, right? And it goes from anywhere from $15 to $30 per 1,000 views. Hey, now next up, as you guys can see, I got RPM. So let me explain to you guys how us content creators are paid. Okay, now we are paid, as you guys can see, per 1,000 views. This is RPM. So the RPM, basically, everybody has a different RPM. Basically, like I told you guys, that's why I gave you guys the top 3. Hopefully you guys get that and understand that. Now, next up, we have to go over. Now this right here, I did get this from the other content creators video. I can't go too much against the grain to be too much different. Cause I do have to tell you guys the simple formula. If you guys want to go check out their videos, make sure you guys go check it out. They explained it terrifically. You know what I'm saying? Now, the regular formula, let's say you made $1,000 off YouTube with a $10 RPM, and these are just easy numbers to plug in. That's why, you know. So let's say you made $1,000 with a $10 RPM. So basically, what we would do is, right? We would so I'm gonna go ahead and jump the gun. Congratulations! In order to make that $1,000 with a $10 RPM, you accumulated 100,000 views. Clap it up. That's great. So basically, in order to see how we made the $1,000, basically this is what we would do. We would take the amount of views. So this is the revenue. So we take the amount of views, which is 100,000. We would divide it by 1,000, right? Because we get paid per 1,000 views, the RPM, revenue per mile. Okay, and then we're gonna times the RPM, which is a $10 RPM. Put down your calculator, as you guys can see. We end up with $1,000. Now that is the basic formula to figure out how many views that you need and how much money that you are making, basically off the views that you put in, right? Because you got 100,000 views, so you got $100. Now, let me give you guys a quick disclaimer before we continue with the video. Statistics, this is YouTube math. All of this is YouTube math. So for all the geniuses, all the college freaks, all the 4.0s, everybody, YouTube math and statistical logical math are two different things, okay? At the end of the day, I am a content creator, not a professor. I am a contentpreneur, not a professor, okay? So every number, like for example, right? So let's say, of course, you got 100,000 views to get $1,000, right? RPM fluctuates and it goes up and it goes down, right? It's damn near like the stock market sometimes. You feel what I'm saying? Sometimes, it all depends. Now, with that being said is, let's say you can have a month where you only got 90,000 views and you got $1,000. It could be another month where it takes you 110,000 views to get $1,000. So with that being said, in YouTube math terms, every single number is not gonna be spot on. So that's what I'm saying. It's at the end of the day, YouTube is a business, it's an asset, it's a market. So it is just an estimate. Nothing is guaranteed statistical number for number. Just to let you guys know that, to get that out the way. I don't want you guys, recently cut. You're off a couple numbers. It's YouTube math, not statistical math. Okay, so let's go ahead. Let's move forward. Let's get into the good part that you all came to the video for. How much do you need in each niche to quit your job? So let's start with entertainment first. So basically what I have done, this is where I threw my own sauce onto it, okay? So I'm not gonna be using that formula. I'm gonna use something else. We're gonna use what I like to call YouTube math, okay? YouTube University. So basically, as you guys can see, for entertainment. So, actually, I forgot the goal. Almost forgot the goal. So the goal is, how much do we want to make in order to quit our 9-to-5 job? So the average American brings in $3,000 a month from a basic 9-to-5. What I mean by basic 9-to-5 is, I mean McDonald's, I mean Walmart, I mean your basic 9-to-5. There's a total difference between a career and a 9-to-5. So if you work a career, it's gonna take you a long time to probably outwork that career on YouTube. But your basic 9-to-5, okay. So our goal is we want to make $3,000 a month to replace our 9-to-5 job. Now let's get into entertainment. So what I did is, basically, as you guys can see, it's a $2 to $5 RPM. But to make the numbers easy and to use some YouTube math on the way, so what we are going to do is, with this $5 RPM, so we want to make $3,000 a month, right? So we're going to do 3,000 divided by 5. Now, I get what you guys are saying. Oh, Reese, that's only 600. YouTube math. So yes, that is only 600, but in YouTube terms, that means you need 600,000 views to quit your 9-to-5 job in the entertainment niche. Now, remember, that's why I use YouTube math, because no number is right on point. You might get 600,000 views for the month, and you might only have maybe like $2,800. You might have 600K views for the month. You might make $3,200. Just all depends. Sometimes your RPM may be a little higher one month. It might be a little lower one month. It just all depends. That's why it's important to go for the big guys, right? The big guys. So let's get into the big guys. So as you guys can see, just for entertainment, you guys would need anywhere, I would say, from my estimate, I would say you need anywhere from 600,000 views to 1 million views to get to $3,000, right? So if you were doing 2 or 3, yeah, you would definitely need about 1 million views. You would need 1 million views a month. So that's just and that's an estimate. You know what I'm saying? Just an estimate, because like I told you, it fluctuates. All right, number 2, health and fitness. Now this is where it gets a little bit easier. Okay, this is where the dream gets a little bit more believable, to where we can quit our 9 to 5. Right now, for health and fitness, I chose to go in between. I couldn't pick whether I wanted to do 8 or 15, so we're gonna make this easy on ourselves, right? So I chose to go with a $10 RPM. Mind you, we want to make $3,000 a month. So I did 3,000 divided by 10. Now I know what you guys are saying. Reese, that's only 300. YouTube math, we are going 300,000 views, 300K. Okay, so we just putting a K behind it. So 3,000 divided by 10 is 300. Okay, so in the health and fitness niche, you would need 300,000 views a month to quit your 9 to 5 job. Okay, now last but not least, we got the big guy. We got the big guns right here. We got the finance, we got the business, we got the investing, we got the tech companies, we got AI. We got all those, we got education, all those type of things, okay? Now, as you guys can see up there, it's $15 to $30. I went in between the middle. Let's do 20, a $20 RPM. Now, I did 3,000 because we want to make 3,000 a month, right? 3,000 divided by 20 is 150. Now, I know what you guys are thinking, Reese. That's only 150. 150,000 views. Wow, so you telling me all I need is 150,000 views a month to make $3,000 and quit my 9 to 5? As you guys can see, that's why we go for the big guns. Entertainment is cool, but entertainment is more of a hobby, and it would take you a lot longer to quit your 9 to 5. Now, I know what you guys are thinking. This is the end of the video. Nope, this is not the end of the video, because we are not going to quit our 9 to 5 just from making exactly what we make at our 9 to 5. We might as well just keep both, okay? So, I recommend I'm a content creator. I'm not full-time. I still have a part-time job myself. But what I recommend is 2 times multiply your income. So since we want to make 3,000, I recommend going up to 6,000, right? So you need to double that. So basically, you're gonna have to double those views. So basically, what this video is basically teaching you guys is if you want to be a full-time content creator, at the end of the day, yes, it's supposed to be fun, it's supposed to be a hobby, but if you want to be full-time and not have to put in so much work, you guys got to invest your time into things that are more, I would say, valuable. Right? As you guys can see, the more valuable things that you post about, the less work that you have to put in. But the more things that really don't mean too much, look how much work that you got to put in a month. Okay? So, hope this video was kind of helpful to you guys. If you guys got any questions, hit me in the DMs. If you guys want some more videos about how to make money on YouTube, hey, I see y'all been going crazy. I've been posting reels on my Instagram, and you guys have been going ballistic about YouTube revenue. So I'm really excited to show you these type of things. I'm sorry if the video was like a little bit confusing. It's at the end of the day, it's YouTube math. At the end of the day, it's not statistical math. It's just more of a reference. This video is more just a reference of what you guys are looking at in order to go full time in whatever you do. Okay, so make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, but you guys know I love this. Y'all know me back with more content. Hey, ski.